In this video, I'll guide you through how to showcase items on your Steam profile. If you'd like to personalize your profile and display some of your favorite in-game items or creations, Steam's Profile Showcase feature makes it easy. In just a few minutes, you'll learn where to find the necessary settings and how to add items that help your profile stand out within the Steam community. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button located near the top of the Steam window. When the login page appears, enter your account name and password carefully. Double-check your information before continuing, then click Sign In to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, look toward the top of the window where your profile name is displayed. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, where you can customize various aspects of how your account appears to other Steam users. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. This section contains all of the available customization options for your account, including profile information, artwork, backgrounds, and featured showcases. Before continuing, it's important to know that profile showcases are only available once your Steam account reaches level 10. This requirement unlocks your first showcase slot, allowing you to feature items directly on your profile. If your account hasn't reached level 10 yet, you'll need to continue earning Steam experience by collecting badges and participating in Steam activities before this feature becomes available. If your account already meets the requirement, scroll down until you find the Featured Showcase section. This is where you'll be able to customize what appears on your profile. If you have an available showcase slot, you can choose items from your Steam inventory or eligible workshop content, depending on the showcase type you've selected. Take your time browsing through your available items and select the ones you'd like to feature. Since these showcased items are visible to anyone who visits your profile, it's worth choosing ones that best represent your favorite games, achievements, or personal style. After making your selection, click Use this item to confirm your choice. Steam will immediately update your profile, and your selected items will appear within the Featured Showcase section for other users to see. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can customize your Steam profile by showcasing your favorite items and giving your profile a more unique and personal appearance. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!